channel. Here are 3 Japanese secret ingredients that would revive your skin. 1. You need raw milk. Raw milk would help to nourish your skin cells, tighten your skin, and also helps to reduce oily skin. It keeps your skin nourished all day long. 2. You need honey. Honey is especially great for acne-prone skin and also helps to reduce acne and very great for slowing down aging. Lastly, you will need rice. Rice contains natural antioxidants that help to minimize damage from sun, aging, and environment damage. Now, you can use raw rice and cook it till it is really soft, but I will be using ground rice for this tutorial. Now get you a bowl. Now I will start mixing my recipes, and I will use 1 scoop of milk, 1 spoon of honey, and for the rice I will be using 2 spoons of rice. Now I would add just a little bit of water so I would be able to mix my recipe. Once you've gotten it all mixed up, next thing you want to do is prepare your face by damping your face with a warm towel so that the treatment can penetrate into your skin. Now I will start applying this into my face. You can apply this on your neck and even on your skin. Now once you have applied it everywhere you want it to be, it's best to let it sit for 30 minutes. By then it should be dry and set. 30 minutes later, you can see it's no longer sticky and you can see stains coming out of it. And you can let it sit as long as you want, but 30 minutes is good for me, and I will go and wash this out. Oh my days, this recipe is definitely a go-to recipe. I am definitely keeping this recipe. This is insane. Like, my face looks so refreshed. I'm definitely going to keep trying this. Make sure you like and subscribe.